Hey Henry, can I see the car? Can you roll the car on there? Is that the car you picked out for Daddy for his birthday? It's pretty cool, huh? The Ferrari. Can you go zoom zoom? We're off to explore Legoville, or Lego Discovery Center. We gotta take a kid with us because they don't allow adults to go by themselves. So figured we'd take Henry with us. Right? Here's the Lego. Here's the big giraffe. See the big giraffe, Henry? It's all made of Legos. See the little Lego guy? It's all made of Legos. You excited?
Welcome to the Lego Discovery Center. Let me introduce our very
Come this way. Beware of auto.
Okay, everybody, turn around and join hands. The microphones want to take you on a very special journey. Make sure you turn around.
Boom, 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 boom. Boom, boom, boom.
I don't think mine works.
Yeah, you're getting points.
How do I only have 1,000?
Henry's got almost 10,000. We're beating Mama, buddy. Oh, Mama beat us, buddy.
Yes.
Oh. There's the Bunker Hill Monument. There's the Constitution. TWE, it's cool. You get the custom house, you get the Prue. Oh yeah, look, it's Logan Airport, buddy. There's Deer Island. Look at all the airplanes and all the Lego people. The truck's putting all the stuff in the plane. See all the cars? It's pretty cool. Ready? Boom! Boom! Henry do?
Henry can't read.
You're making the cannons go off. Splash, splash! I'm not sure what that one does. That might be broken. Woo! Let's see, start. There's South Station. That's where Papa used to work in that building right there, the big silver building. And Mama, Gigi used to work in the building next to it. South Station looks cool. Oh, look at Fenway Park. Ooh, you want to hit the button?
Do they have ones like this that you can buy, or do they
No,
have
these are all
together for...
these are all custom.
Okay, then.
Oh,
You wanna be where you can see our troubles are all the same.
Alright, wait your turn, Ellie.
it's okay, Bubba. Daddy's right there. Almost. Come on. Good job, little guy. Thanks, buddy. We're gonna keep those here, though. Yay! Good job, Bubba. Nope, nope. Alright, that's how we end the day. Had some dinner. It's a Lego. There's the Mystic River Lux right there in the casino. If you guys enjoyed, please subscribe. Leave some comments. We'll talk to you later. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and click the little alarm so whenever you get notification, we get new ones. See you later. Bye!